sorry if I flashed you.
No.
You should. It's so much
Hey,
fun.
if you watch me do it, it's safe.
Watch me.
Yeah, don't watch me.
Dude, you should do it. It's the safest one I've ever been on, though.
From all the way up there. Dude, you're only gonna go right there. I'll be fine, don't you think?
Not responsible.
So, let's go.
Let's go. I'm waiting for some more members of our party to show up.
Yeah, we got like 12 more coming.
Because you know that everybody's going to want to do it.
Oh yeah, right.
Well, Mario's
Oh,
gonna wanna do it.
Christina for sure.
I'm there